everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is for all the dosa lovers. We are going to make this healthy and tasty Sabudana Dosa that is made with sago. It's very soft, spongy and incredibly easy to make. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe, I've taken half cup of Sabudana, that is sago pearls. I just washed the sago pearls once and I strained it and I'm adding it into the bowl. To this I'm going to add 1 cup of thick curd. So this is a 250 ml cup measurement of curd and 125 ml measurement of sago. Just make sure you mix the sago and the curd well. We have to let this sit overnight because the sabudana has to soften up. Next I'm going to grind a few ingredients together. To the mixer jar add 1 piece of ginger roughly chopped, 2 green chilies cut up and a few curry leaves. So first I'm going to grind these ingredients together. Next I'm going to add 1/4 cup of suji rava and 1/4 cup of rice flour. So you can see we've got this lovely beautiful green mixture. So you can see the sabudana has absorbed all that curd and it's plumped up. Look at that, become nice and thick. Now I'm going to add the ground mixture to this. Next I'm adding a teaspoon of salt. Just mix everything well. You can see how beautifully that sabudana is plumped up. It's softened up so nicely. Very simple and easy to make sabudana dosa. We're going to add water now to get the right consistency. I'm just adding 1 cup of water. Mix everything together. Now we don't want the batter to be too diluted. This is a nice thick batter consistency. This is how we want the batter to be. So what is the first thing that comes to mind when you think of sabudana? Well, for me it's usually payasam. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. To the pan I'm adding 1 teaspoon of oil. So make sure you spread the oil on all sides of the pan and it's well greased. Once the pan is heated, add a ladle of the batter. Gently spread it. Just drizzle a little oil on top of the dosa. Close the pan and cook on one side for about a minute or so. Let's check on the dosa. Just look at that, it looks so nice. So once it's got a lovely golden brown color on one side and the edges are all cooked, gently flip it to the other side. So you can see it's got that beautiful golden color and that nice mild crispy texture. So you can see the sabudana dosas are perfect. They're so soft and spongy, and today I'm serving it with this delicious spicy and tangy tomato chutney. Well, it's time to taste this beautiful soft and spongy sabudana dosas. Excellent flavors. Of course, the chutney and the dosa, the combination is just out of this world. Well, I could taste those sabudana pearls in every bite. They were so soft and yummy. This is such a fun and easy recipe to make, so do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. All my home cooking digital cookbooks are now available on shop.homecookingshow.in. Download and start cooking today. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website.